Understanding the dynamics of breakups can shed light on why many couples rekindle their relationships, with over 30% finding their way back together. Various types of breakups can lead to reconciliation, particularly when exes maintain a positive connection and have worked on personal growth. Building a new relationship foundation is essential, with an emphasis on clear communication and taking things slow. Factors like timing, distance, and uncertainty about the breakup can also play significant roles in whether couples reunite. Additionally, taking a break can help partners reassess their needs and desires, often leading to a stronger connection upon reuniting. Ultimately, open discussions about feelings and changes are crucial for those contemplating getting back together, especially in on-again, off-again scenarios where unresolved issues often linger.